So that x-intercept of -2 is the point -2, 0. A y-intercept of 4 means we hit the y-axis at 4. So that would be the point 0, 4. To write the equation of a line, what do I have to do first? So slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we get 4 over 2, which is 2. Technically, did anybody just write down their equation from here without using the point slope formula? Okay. Then let's just do it like normal. I have my slope, I have a point. So you can do y minus y1 equals m times x minus -2. So that's a plus 2. If we distribute y plus 0 is just y equals 2x plus 4. Or you could have realized we had the slope, we had the y-intercept. You already have m and b. You could have just written the equation there. But either way, we get to the same thing. Is that one okay? Put them in the same point instead of 2 separate points.
I thought it meant like those were the same point.
In one point, yeah. When I ask for parallel, what's true about parallel lines?
They never have the same slope.
Same slope because they never intersect. What about perpendicular? Okay. Could you guys graph lines? Tell me domains and ranges from your graphs. Oh, you can put things in y equals mx plus b form. If I had something, I would throw it at you right now. You can graph.
You just go up how many the last time.
You think about a count?
No.
These are problems beyond what I can fix. I'm so sorry. Yes.
Send it back to
Okay.
I'm just wondering if I can't count.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
No. So let's finish this discussion on lines real quick before I go into anything else. If it's y equals a number, so if it's just like y equals 5, what is that? If I ask you to graph the line,
Oh, it's like, so 5 is, it's all, okay, it's on y-axis, so it's gonna be parallel to the x-axis.
what's the domain of this?
Negative 3, because we don't have homework.
What is your range? I never updated my board today.
Just like those little squiggly lines of 5.
Okay. What is the slope of this line?
0.
0. If it's x equals a number, what kind of line is it? Vertical. What's the slope of a vertical line?
Undefined.
Undefined. Alright, so we're good with lines, graphing, writing equations, we can handle that. Before lines, we talked about functions, so like function notation. If I say f of x equals -2x squared plus x, then if I say f of 1, what does that mean? Yeah, your x is 1. So that's -2 plus 1 is -1. In terms of a graph, just so you realize, this is like the x, this is the y. It's like a point on the graph, 1, -1. How do you tell by looking at a graph if it passes the vertical line test? Or if it's a function? Vertical line test. Wow, that was a hard one. What do I mean if I say something is increasing? It's going up. Decreasing? Okay. What if I gave you a graph?
Yeah. 2. The answer is negative.
Okay.
Whoa.
Increase from -2
Bracket
to 0.
2. Hold on. Comma 0. Let me think.
Okay. Is this a function?
Yes. Yes. I know. Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me increasing, decreasing, constant here? What does the graph start out doing? Decreasing. I told you you have to write that as an interval. So what would my interval look like?
Bracket
-2 to 0, bracket
because we're giving the x values. Then what does my graph do?
Constant.
From
0 to 3.
And then?
Increase 3 to positive 3 with the
Alright, so we understand increasing, decreasing constant. We can read graphs, we understand function notation. You know the number I'm giving you, plug in is your x, what you get out is your y. The other thing we talked about was circles, like when we had that x squared and the y squared. You would put like a union in the middle and then give me the other one. So if I said, write the equation of a circle with a center -3, 7 and a radius of 4. What was the equation of a circle?
X minus h squared plus x y minus k squared equals r squared.
Okay.
You guys sound like robots.
X minus h, that would give me x plus 3 squared. Plus y minus k, so y minus 7 squared equals 16. There's my equation. Okay, we also did those in reverse, where I would give you something and ask you if it was a circle. So let me pull one of those problems real quick, and this is probably my last one. Let's say I told you we had x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 10y equals -20. And if I want to know if this is a circle, okay, first of all, if the 20 were over here, so let's say if I'd done that, what if I'd had plus 20 equals 0? What would you have to do first?
Subtract the 20.
And then remember we grouped the x's together because we're trying to see if we can write it like the equation of a circle. Okay, so then what did we do?
Half of h squared.
Alright, we completed the square. So we took -12 divided by 2 and squared. -12 divided by 2 was -6. -6 squared is 6. But if you add 36 to one side, okay. This one, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Squared is
25.
so I add
25.
25. What does this factor into?
Plus y minus plus 5 squared equals
41.
Okay. So is this a circle? Yes.
Yeah.
The center would be what? And what's our radius? Because remember in the equation, this is r squared. So the square root of 41 is my radius. All right,
Wait, what does C stand for?
center. Okay, no graphing calculators, so you need a regular one or one of my scientific ones over here.